it's a little circular motion. Excuse me, the lock. Not know what's going on. There's a saying, it's better to be a controlled explosion than just a bomb going off. If it's going to go off, I got to press the button. It's the distraction to going to the ticket to the next thing, where it's kind of like that. So 1, 2, tag it to us. That'll give you the wall as you work. As you grab, it's just that. Come back inside of it. Just get used to that. Don't stay on the outside from here. You're just going to turn back into it. Anytime I get inside here, I'm controlling him. This is called tie shut. Empty. Shoot dog. Really wrong. Poison. To here. And now I have to stop already. So when I come around to here, he grabs his t-shirt, his bag. We fucked this guy out one time at this club. Sure about the club. Just all put leather gloves on when we're throwing people out. And then we threw the guy out through the door, and then the guy starts shooting on the door. And the video is the door opens and there's 2 hands come. And only sees the 2 arms come out. Anyway, I'm in a confrontation where I can't escape, I can't talk down, I can't run away. And I feel like it's going to kick off, and I know it's going to kick off. The first thing I need to do is accept that it's going to kick off. In your lifetime, this is probably never going to happen. This might. Like I'm freezing moments of time. So again, it's just start like boom. You can start there. Look for the shots. All I'm looking for is always to get that. The back. So even with just this, if I can get that, I'm always gonna win.